My name is Maddie.
And my name is Sage.
And Miss Torrent,
we have broken your curse.
The first strategy we used was estimation.
Estimating gets us to the answer faster. For example, we both estimated the number 150. Why we did that is because 50 times 3 equals 150. And so we knew that the answer had to be higher than 150. So that was a good estimation to make.
The second strategy we used was multiplication and US algorithm.
We used two ways. For example, Maddie used US algorithm.
So the way I used US algorithm was, US algorithm. So I'm going to show you. So if we were doing 2 times 10, you'd write 10 and then you'd write the 2 and then you'd write, you'd write 10 and then x2. Just like this, which is multiplication. And then you would times 2 times 0, which is 0. 2 times 1, 2. And then your answer is 20. And that's how I did US algorithm. Now it's Sage's way.
So what I did is got the 50. So I wrote the 50 from the first assignment, right? Right there. Why I wrote the 50 is because you have to times 3 and 6/100 to 50. So 0, I took out the decimal point. So 0 times 6 is 0. 0 times 30 is 0. 50 times 6 is 300. And 50 times 30 is 1,500. And that is the way I used. The last strategy we used was addition.
And also checking over.
So I use addition to add 1,500 to 300. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 3 plus 5 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. So it was 1,800. But then I had to put the decimal point back in. And something is to remember is that after the decimal point, it has to be that many digits that it was in the actual answer. So in 3 and 6/100, there was only one number after the decimal point. So it has to be the same thing. And then, since there's only 0, it would be 180. But then I had to add 50 to 180 because it's from that first assignment. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 8 is 13. Carry the 1. And then 1 plus 1 is 2. That would be 230. Now, this is how we checked it.
Okay, how we checked it was after we got our answer, which was 180, and then you added everything. You would make sure you had your decimal point, which we have no decimal point because it's a whole number. But you would redo your addition. You do 0 plus 0, 0, 8 plus 5, 13, add the 1, 2. Okay, so then exactly as Sage shown, 230. And that's how I checked my work. And also what I did was I redid the whole thing. What I did was I went from 150 plus 300, which was 180. And then I did 180 plus 50, which was 230. and that's how I checked over my answer. So in the end, we figured out Jokers, and the answer was
230 words to both of those assignments. Thank you for listening. And we have broken your curse.